Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore one of the most important parts of English, adjectives.
Adjectives make your English colorful, descriptive, and interesting.
Without adjectives, your English would be very basic.
But with adjectives, you can express yourself beautifully.
By the end of this episode, you'll know everything about adjectives.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @CantiLatabocati for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @CantiLatabocati. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what is an adjective.
An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Nouns are people, places, things, or ideas.
Adjectives tell us more about these nouns.
They answer questions like what kind, how many, which one.
Let's see simple examples.
Without adjective, I have a car. Basic.
With adjective, I have a red car. More descriptive.
Red is the adjective. It describes what kind of car.
Without adjective, she's a teacher. Basic.
With adjective, she's a good teacher. More descriptive.
Good describes what kind of teacher.
Adjectives add detail and color to your sentences.
Types of adjectives.
There are many types. Let's learn the main ones.
Type 1. Descriptive adjectives.
These describe qualities or characteristics.
Examples: beautiful, ugly, tall, short, happy, sad, big, small.
A beautiful flower, a tall building, a happy child.
These tell you what something is like.
Type 2. Quantity adjectives.
These tell us how many or how much.
Many people, few problems, some water.
Numbers are also quantity adjectives.
2 cats, $10, first place.
Type 3. Demonstrative adjectives.
These point out which one.
This book, that car, these shoes, those buildings.
They show which specific thing you mean.
Type 4. Possessive adjectives.
These show ownership.
My car, your house, his book, their children.
They tell us who owns something.
Where do adjectives go?
Position 1, before the noun.
This is the most common position.
A big house, an interesting movie, the beautiful garden.
Adjective comes directly before the noun it describes.
Position 2, after linking verbs.
Linking verbs like be, seem, look, feel, sound, taste, smell.
The house is big. The movie seems interesting. The garden looks beautiful.
After these verbs, adjectives describe the subject.
Both positions are correct.
I have a red car, or my car is red.
Same meaning, different structure.
Order of adjectives.
When you use multiple adjectives, there's a specific order.
Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose.
That's a lot. Let's break it down.
Opinion, beautiful, ugly, nice, terrible.
Size, big, small, large, tiny.
Age, new, old, young, ancient.
Shape, round, square, flat, curved.
Color, red, blue, green, yellow.
Origin, American, Italian, Chinese, European.
Material, wooden, metal, plastic, cotton.
Purpose, sleeping, bag, cooking, pot.
Example with multiple adjectives.
A beautiful, big, old, round, red, Italian, wooden dining table.
That's using the order, but normally you use 2 or 3 adjectives maximum.
A beautiful, old Italian table. More natural.
A big red car. Common.
Don't use too many adjectives. It sounds unnatural. Comparatives and superlatives.
Adjectives can show comparison.
Comparative compares two things.
Superlative compares 3 or more things.
For short adjectives, one syllable, add er and est.
Tall, taller, tallest.
She is taller than me. Comparative.
She is the tallest in the class. Superlative.
For long adjectives, 2 plus syllables, use more and most.
Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful.
This is more beautiful than that. Comparative.
This is the most beautiful place. Superlative.
Some adjectives are irregular.
Good, better, best.
Bad, worse, worst.
Far, farther, furthest, or farther, furthest.
These don't follow the normal rules.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, I'm looking for a new apartment.
What kind of apartment do you want?
I want a big, modern apartment with 2 bedrooms.
That sounds nice. Do you prefer an old building or a new one?
Definitely a new building, and I'd like it to be close to work.
What about price? Are expensive apartments okay?
Not too expensive. I need something affordable.
I know a beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. It's bigger than your current place.
Really? Is it the most affordable option available?
It's not the cheapest, but it's the best value.
Does it have a nice view?
Yes, it has a wonderful city view. Better than any other apartment I've seen.
Did you notice all the adjectives?
New apartment. New describes apartment. Big, modern apartment. 2 adjectives describing it. 2 bedrooms. Quantity adjective. Old building or new one. Contrasting adjectives. Close to work. Describing location. Expensive apartments. Describing cost. Too expensive. Degree of expensive. Something affordable. Describing price. Beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. 2 adjectives. Bigger than. Comparative. The most affordable option. Superlative. The cheapest. Superlative. The best value. Superlative, irregular. Nice view. Wonderful city view. Descriptive adjectives. Better than. Comparative, irregular. So many adjectives used naturally. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Making adjectives plural. Wrong. 3 bigs dogs. Correct. 3 big dogs. Wrong. Many beautifuls flowers. Correct. Many beautiful flowers. Adjectives in English don't change for plural. Mistake 2. Wrong position. Adjective after noun. Wrong. A car red. Correct. A red car. In English, adjectives go before the noun, usually. Exception with linking verbs like be. The car is red. This is correct. Mistake 3. Wrong comparative or superlative form. Wrong. More tall than. Correct. Taller than. Wrong. The most best. Correct. The best. Don't mix er, est with more, most. Mistake 4. Using very with comparatives. Wrong. Very better. Correct. Much better or just better. With comparatives, use much, far, or a lot, not very. Intensifiers with adjectives. Words that make adjectives stronger or weaker. Strong intensifiers. Very, really, extremely, incredibly, absolutely. Very big, really happy, extremely difficult, incredibly beautiful. These make the adjective stronger. Weak intensifiers. Quite, fairly, rather, somewhat, pretty. Quite nice, fairly good, rather interesting, somewhat difficult. These make the adjective less strong. Too shows excessive, too expensive, too difficult, too late. Too means more than wanted. Adjectives with different endings. Full ending, beautiful, wonderful, careful, helpful, useful. These usually mean full of that quality. Less ending, careless, helpless, useless, hopeless, endless. These mean without that quality. IVE ending, active, creative, expensive, impressive, attractive. OUS ending, dangerous, famous, nervous, curious, jealous. Able ending, comfortable, enjoyable, possible, terrible, responsible. AL ending, natural, special, traditional, emotional, professional. Learning these patterns helps you recognize adjectives. Participle adjectives. These come from verbs but work as adjectives. ING adjectives. Interesting, boring, exciting, amazing, confusing. These describe what causes the feeling. The movie is boring. The movie causes boredom. ED adjectives. Interested, bored, excited, amazed, confused. These describe how someone feels. I am bored. I feel boredom. Don't confuse them. The movie is interesting. The movie causes interest. I am interested in the movie. I feel interest. Very important distinction. Common adjective pairs. Some adjectives naturally go together. Black and white, young and old, rich and poor, hot and cold, thick and thin, big and small, good and bad, right and wrong. Learning pairs helps you remember opposites. Your challenge for this week. Day 1. Make a list of 20 descriptive adjectives. Day 2. Describe your room using 10 adjectives. Day 3. Practice comparatives. Compare two friends. Day 4. Practice superlatives. Who's the tallest in your family? Day 5. Write sentences using adjective order. Day 6. Find adjectives in a book or article. Circle them all. Day 7. Describe your perfect day using as many adjectives as possible. By week end, you'll master adjectives. Tips for using adjectives well. Tip 1. Don't overuse adjectives. Too many. The very beautiful, big, expensive, luxurious, amazing house. Better, the beautiful, spacious house. 2 to 3 adjectives maximum sounds natural. Tip 2. Use specific adjectives. Weak, a nice car.
Strong, a sleek, modern car.
Specific adjectives create vivid images.
Tip 3. Learn adjectives in categories.
Size, big, small, huge, tiny, enormous.
Color, red, blue, dark, bright, colorful.
Personality, kind, mean, friendly, shy, confident.
Organized learning is easier.
More adjective categories.
Emotions, happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous, proud, jealous, grateful.
Physical appearance, tall, short, thin, handsome, pretty, attractive.
Taste, sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy, delicious, tasteless, fresh.
Texture, soft, hard, smooth, rough, sticky, slippery, crisp, fluffy.
Sound, loud, quiet, noisy, silent, shrill, deep, melodious, harsh.
Temperature, hot, cold, warm, cool, freezing, boiling, chilly, mild.
Speed, fast, slow, quick, rapid, swift, gradual, sudden.
Building vocabulary by category.
Gradable versus non-gradable adjectives.
Gradable can be more or less, very hot, quite big, extremely fast.
Non-gradable are absolute, perfect, dead, unique, can't be very unique.
With non-gradable, use absolutely, completely, totally.
Nationality adjectives.
American, British, Chinese, Japanese, French, Italian, Spanish, German.
Always capitalize nationality adjectives.
Compound adjectives.
2 words as one with a hyphen. Well-known, 5-year-old, part-time, good-looking, last minute.
Very specific descriptions.
Personality adjectives.
Positive, kind, generous, honest, loyal, patient, friendly, confident.
Negative, mean, selfish, dishonest, rude, arrogant, lazy.
These describe character.
Transforming nouns to adjectives.
Beauty, beautiful. Care, careful. Danger, dangerous.
Fame, famous. Nature, natural. Comfort, comfortable.
Learning patterns helps.
Emphasizing with variety.
Instead of very good, excellent, outstanding, superb, fantastic.
Instead of very bad, terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful.
Stronger vocabulary, stronger impact.
Tip 4, practice with real situations.
Describe your breakfast, your friend, your day.
Real-life practice makes adjectives natural. More practical examples.
Describing food. The pizza was delicious, hot, and cheesy.
Describing weather. It's a beautiful, sunny, warm day.
Describing feelings. I feel tired, hungry, and slightly annoyed.
Describing objects. I bought a new, expensive leather jacket.
Describing places. We visited an ancient, peaceful mountain village.
Describing experiences. It was an amazing, unforgettable, life-changing trip.
Practice describing everything.
Common collocations.
Heavy rain, strong coffee, fast food, quick shower, difficult decision, long time.
Learning collocations makes you sound natural.
Adjective mistakes natives make.
Even natives confuse some adjectives.
Less versus fewer. Use fewer with countable nouns, less with uncountable.
Fewer people, countable, less water, uncountable.
Good versus well. Good is adjective, well is adverb.
I feel good, adjective after linking verb, is correct. I speak well, adverb.
These confuse many people.
Expressing extremes with adjectives.
Absolutely plus non-gradable. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely exhausted. Absolutely delicious.
Totally plus non-gradable. Totally wrong. Totally amazing. Totally impossible.
Extremely plus gradable. Extremely hot. Extremely difficult. Extremely important.
Expressing strong feelings.
Adjectives in questions.
How old, how tall, how big, what color, what kind, which one, whose bag.
Adjectives help form questions.
Quick review.
Adjectives describe nouns.
They answer what kind, how many, which one.
Position, before noun or after linking verbs.
Adjectives don't change for plural.
Order, opinion, then size, then age, then shape, color, origin, material, purpose.
Comparatives compare to, er or more.
Superlatives compare 3 plus, est or most.
Irregular, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst.
Don't use very with comparatives.
ing adjectives describe what causes a feeling.
Ed adjectives describe how someone feels.
You now understand adjectives completely.
Adjectives make your English rich and expressive.
Use them to paint pictures with words.
Practice daily and they'll become natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment describing yourself with 3 adjectives.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!
Bye.